Hey guys, I just wanted to show you another upgrade that we do on our 139 builds. We pretty much do these on all the Milwaukee 8 builds, whether it's a 128 kit, 130, or the 139. So this is the fan that comes, you can get this directly from Harley-Davidson. It is the oil cooler with the fan adapter on the back. We get these directly from Harley-Davidson and we install these on all of our builds. As you can see right here, this is what comes. It's the exact same thing. It just does not have the fan on it. So this is a Harley-Davidson part. You can buy it. It comes with new lines and clamps and everything, and it slides right back into there. And what that allows it to do is to have a fan on your oil cooler. That is something that I recommend on all of our Milwaukee 8 builds, or just to keep a little bit of oil temperature down. So just another nice little upgrade, something that we do automatically. Thank you very much.